Here is how to hide videos and content on CapCut. It's very simple because I know that sometimes, let's say I had different videos here and I have this one and I go here and I change it up and I really like this look. I like it extra bright, extra contrasty. Right? I like a blinding light. I like this. So if I wanted to, I could basically go here. I could delete this and it'll be gone, right? Or I could hover over here, hide the entire track. But if I just want to have this specific video hidden, I could click and press V to hide the content. As you can see, all you have to do is press V. So when I go to export this video will almost be like it doesn't exist, and it won't be in your final cut. And you could do this a lot when you're doing podcast, when you have multiple cameras and you're putting it together and it's all synced up in the same time and you just want to hide different parts. This is really good to have. So remember, all you need to do is press V. Just press V and you'll be good to go.